and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. So if you want to see how I got this result, just keep watching. So I just finished washing my hair and I used the Cream of Nature Pure Honey shampoo. This is all the Pure Honey line of Cream of Nature that I got in my curlBOX. So the next product I used was the hair mask, which I really liked. Just be careful, the bottom of your bathtub or shower gets really slippery. Next, I'm using the leave-in conditioner. It does come in a spray bottle. It did take me a few pumps to get it going, but once it did, I really like that also. It makes it very easy to get it all over your hair. Next, I'm using the leave-in detangler. It has a thick consistency and I really like it. It didn't feel heavy on my hair once I got it going. I struggle a lot with these products, I swear. And this one I'm just going to distribute it all throughout the hair. Next, I'm going to be using the twisting cream. And this is also a thick consistency, a little bit thicker than the detangler, as you can see. All the products smell the same. And this time I'm actually sectioning off my hair so I can get the product really throughout the whole hair. And you can see I realized I put too much product. And this is towards the end, and I always section my hair the way I want my split. You'll see me kind of talking. My husband couldn't find his wallet. Next, I am just gonna use a towel. This is not a microfiber towel, but I like this towel. And just get any of the excess product or water that still lingers in my hair. And I'm just gonna wait for 1 hour. So I actually waited for 2 hours and I am going to diffuse my hair. And this is the Bedhead Curly Pop. You can find it on Amazon or Ulta. Okay, so this is the finished result. My ends are a little dry, but I would normally put in a hair gel or even a hair oil to kind of keep the hair looking a little bit more moisturized. But I stuck with the products that came in with the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. I actually like all the products. The curls came out nice. Again, they just look a little dry. I do need a haircut, like to trim the ends. It is summer. I've been swimming a little bit more, so my hair is dry. I haven't been maintaining it as well as I normally would. So, but yeah, overall, I really like the products. I do need to color my hair. It got really, I went a dark color and then now it's like super light, so I don't know what's going on there. The fade. But yeah, if you guys like videos like this, let me know. Give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.